Now, listen, as I have told you, today we are going to read lesson The Safford Treasure. Now, Shreya, start reading first para. Start reading, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. Chapter 3, The Speherd's Treasure. In a village in Iran, there once lived a Speherd. He was very poor. He did not have even a small cottage of his own. He had never been to school or learned to read and write, for there were very few schools in those days.
Okay, now today
This
we
is
are
the first
going
paragraph.
to read. Who is speaking in middle? Is it good? Don't speak. If you have any problem, then I will give you chance. Then you have to speak. We are going to read English 2, supplementary reader lesson 4. Okay, now listen. The Safford Treasure. Today we are going to read a story, The Safford Treasure, and this story is in lesson 4. Now, listen. Here we are going to read about a man, the Safford, and now about his treasure. इसमें हम लोग सैफर्ड के बारे में और उसके खजाने के बारे में पूछेंगे. Okay, we have to read here. Okay, now, as Shreya told that there was a man who was living in Iran, and he was very wise, very clever, and everyone loves him. He hadn't read, but he is very wise. उसने पढ़ा नहीं था because there are very few school, so he did not read. Okay, now next I will give chance to read second passage. Anushka Gupta. Anushka, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Though poor and uneducated, this shepherd was very wise. He understood people's sorrow and troubles and helped them face their problem with courage and common sense. Many people come to him for advice. Soon he became famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. The king of that country heard about him and thought of meeting him.
Once again, you are here. It is given that he always solved problems of others. Why? Because he was very clever and very kind. Whenever others are in trouble, he tried to solve their problems. So people came to him. वह लोगों की परेशानियों को समझता और उनकी परेशानियों को दूर करता, इसीलिए लोग उसके पास मिलने आते थे. Now next third para, I will give chance to Akriti Kumari. Read third.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He understood people, sorrow and troubles and helped them face their problems with conscience and common sense. Many people come to him for advice.
Okay, now then what happened? He was very famous. Why he was famous? Because he was very kind-hearted. He always give others time and always manage their whatever they have trouble. वो हमेशा लोगों के लिए समय निकालता और उनकी परेशानियों को सॉल्व करता. Now next, para number 4. Para number 4, I am giving chance to read Raj Kausal. Raj Kausal, start. Raj Kausal, start reading. Raj Kausal is not listening my voice. Aishwarya. Aishwarya.
Saw the traveler going towards the cave. He rose to welcome him. He took the tired traveler inside. The cave gave him water
to drink and a share of his own meagre meal. The king rested for the night in the cave and was gently impressed by the shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation.
Okay, very good. Now what happened? The king heard that there was a man who is very famous. Then king wanted to know what are the reason why he is very famous, because everyone is talking about him, and the king thought I have to meet him. And now what he has done? He disguised as a simple man. He wore cloth like a simple man and went to meet him. उसने क्या किया? राजा के पास ये खबर आई कि अरे बहुत ही जानकार यहाँ पे एक शेफर्ड है, गडेरिया है, जो लोगों की परेशानियों को दूर करता है। तो राजा ने सोचा कि आखिर वो क्यों इतना प्रसिद्ध है, चलते हैं उसे देखने के लिए। और राजा ने एक साधारण सा कपड़ा पहना, क्योंकि देखो किसी के घर राजा आएंगे या फिर भगवान आएंगे तो हम लोग तो सेवा करेंगे ही। मनुष्य की पहचान कब होती है? जब साधारण आदमी आए और उसकी लोग सेवा करें। तो राजा ने क्या किया? अपना वेशभूषा बिल्कुल साधारण बना लिया और वो चला मिलने गडेरिये के पास। He was very happy. Why? Because this shepherd respected him. He has given him water, and whatever he had whatever he was eating, he has given some part of food. So the king was very astonished, surprised to see that in my land there is a man who is very kind. राजा को बहुत ही खुशी हुई क्योंकि गडेरिये ने उनकी उसका बहुत सेवा किया, बहुत सत्कार किया। ऐसा देखते हुए राजा बहुत खुश हुए। नाउ आई एम गिविंग चांस टू ऐश्वर्या। स्टार्ट रीडिंग नेक्स्ट पैरा।
Yes, ma'am. So,
ऐश्वर्या, योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग, स्पीक। Okay, now after
the eyes of his guest, the shepherd replied, "Thank you, Your Majesty, for the compliment of a visit."
ऐश्वर्या, रीड वंस अगेन, एक बार फिर से पढ़िए, आवाज नहीं आ रही।
वो पढ़ाने स्टोरी।
ए डोंट इंटरप्ट इन मिडिल, बीच में बोलना नहीं है।
तो still tired, the king decided to depart the next morning. He said, "Many thanks for your kindness to a poor traveler. I have a long way to go. Permit me to leave." Looking straight into the eyes of his guest, the shepherd replied, "Thank you for your majesty for paying me the compliment of a visit."
Okay, very nice. Now what happened? The king was tired and he thought, I have to go another day. And this shepherd respected him very much. He obeyed him and he has given him place. And the king was very happy, like that kind of guest, how he hosted him. He was very happy. राजा जो है बहुत खुश हुआ। क्यों? क्योंकि इस तरह से उसकी सेवा हुई। और चूँकि बहुत थक गया था तो एक दिन वह रुक गया। एंड अर्ली मॉर्निंग ही सेड दैट आई हैव टू गो, एंड ही वेंट फ्रॉम देयर। और फिर दूसरे सुबह राजा वहाँ से वापस चला। नेक्स्ट आफ्टर ऐश्वर्या, अनुष्का भारती।
Yes, ma'am. The king was astonished as well as pleased. He is indeed very wise. He thought to himself, "I need people like him to work for me." And the king appointed this humble shepherd the governor of a small district.
Okay, now what happened? The king was very surprised. He was very happy. And when he has seen that kind of nature, humble nature, then he made him a small district governor. राजा ने उसके व्यवहार से खुश होकर उसे छोटे से इलाके का गवर्नर बना दिया। Now next, अपूर्व। Apurv? Apurv is not listening. Dhansri. Dhansri, start reading. Dhansri is also not listening. Christopher?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Also, he
मैम आ गया मेरा।
ओके, पहले आप क्रिस्टोफर को पढ़ने दीजिए, तब पढ़िएगा।
Okay. Now the governors of other provinces great trebly jealous of him and began to talk to the king against him. They said he is very dishonest and keeps for himself part of the money that he collects as tax from the people. Why did he always carry them? They added an iron chest. Perhaps he carried it in the treasure that he had secretly collected. After all, shockingly, he saw an ordinary shepherd and could behave no better.
Okay, now listen. What happened? He was very famous. He became very famous. Everyone is taking his name. Everyone is happy. And now the other governors started to jealous, and they started to say that this shepherd is containing an iron chest. On that iron chest there is jewelry, money, and he was a dishonest personality. अब चूंकि ये बहुत प्रसिद्ध हो गया तो दूसरे जो गवर्नर्स थे वो सब इससे जलने लगे और बोलने लगे कि अरे ये तो बेईमान है, इसके पास एक बड़ा सा बक्सा है और उस बक्से में हीरे जवाहरात बहुत सारी मुद्राएं हैं, ये ईमानदार नहीं है। लोगों के बीच ऐसी ही इसकी प्रसिद्धि है। नाउ आफ्टर दैट धनश्री सुन रही है मेरी आवाज? धनश्री, यू आर लिसनिंग माय वॉइस?
Yes, ma'am.
Then start reading.
At first, the king did not pay attention to these reports, but half long cloud he ignored these governors and their in-depth stories about the shepherd. One thing was sent. मैम इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
स्पेलिंग बोलो, बुक मेरे पास नहीं ना, स्पेलिंग बोलो।
CERPAIN.
CARRYING है। देख लो।
The king discovered the new governor did carry an iron chest with him all the time.
Okay, now what happened? Everyone went and they started to say, King, oh King, there is an iron chest and he is always containing. He is not an honest personality. But first king didn't pay attention because the king knew that he was an honest personality. But after that, what will happen? We come to the know next in a story. Now Apurv, you are listening my voice? Apurv?
Yes, ma'am.
Apurv, you are listening my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Then start reading. अभी हम हिंदी में समझा दे रहे हैं, तुम माइक खोल के रखो, फिर उसके बाद पढ़ना। Listen, here अब यहाँ पर क्या दिया हुआ है कि सभी ने जाके राजा का कान भरना शुरू कर दिया कि राजा, आप जो सोचे ये ईमानदार है, ईमानदार नहीं है, इसके पास एक बक्सा है, ये हमेशा रखता है और उसके अंदर बहुत सारी संपत्ति राज्य की उसने छुपा कर रखी है, आप उसका पता लगाएं। तो पहले तो राजा विश्वास नहीं किया। अब आगे हम लोग पढ़ते हैं। ओके अपूर्व, स्टार्ट रीडिंग।
Yes, ma'am. Now the king was angry. He thundered, "Why do you always carry that iron chest with you? What does it contain?" The governor smiled. He asked which servant to bring in the chest.
Okay, very good. Now then what happened? The king ordered that you have to come and you have to show me that why you are always putting this an iron chest. राजा ने उसे बुलाया और कहा कि चलो आओ और मुझे दिखाओ कि तुम क्यों अपने पास an iron chest रखते हो. Okay, after that Pratyush start reading. Pratyush.
Smiled, he asked his servant to bring the chest. How eagerly the people standing around waited for the shepherd to be found out. But how great was their astonishment! क्या है?
स्पेलिंग पढ़ो. स्पेलिंग बोलो. स्पेलिंग. Astonished. ASTONISHED. यही है ना प्रत्युष? तब
एक मिनट. ASTONISHMENT.
astonishment. Astonishment पढ़िए.
Astonishment and even of the king himself. When the chest was opened, no gold or silver or jewels, but an old blanket was all that came out, looking up about it. This, my dear master, is my only treasure. I will always carry it with me.
Okay, now then what happened? The king ordered, come to me and show me the iron chest. And then what happened? The shepherd came with his iron chest. And what everyone is wanted to see, everyone is standing that what is in this. There are so many people, crowd is there. And then what happened? When he opened, on that very box there is an ordinary blanket, and the king asked that why you have taken this ordinary blanket. You are a very nice kind of governor, and you are putting like that kind of ordinary blanket. He said, yes sir, I always put this ordinary blanket. Why? Because he is my oldest friend. सभी लोग वहाँ पर भीड़ लगा लिए, सभी देखना चाहते थे आखिर इस बक्से में क्या है. और जितने भी पुराने गवर्नर्स थे वो लोग सोच रहे थे आज तो इसका भांडा फूटेगा, मजा आएगा. और जैसे ही बक्सा खुला, बक्सा में क्या था? एक पुराना सा कंबल था. और राजा पूछता है कि अरे तुम ये पुराना कंबल अपने पास क्यों रखे हो? तुम तो एक राज्यपाल हो, गवर्नर हो. वो पूछता है महाराज मैं ये इसलिए रखता हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरा पुराना दोस्त है, इसने मुझे हमेशा मदद की है. गर्मी में मैं इसका टेंट बना देता था और उसके अंदर रहता था, और बारिश में यह मुझे बारिश से बचाता था, और ठंड में मैं इसे ओढ़ लेता था. तो बताइए मैं इस पुराने कंबल को कैसे छोड़ दूँ? ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट आई एम गिविंग चांस टू सुनीता मिसर. पढ़ी नहीं ना अभी? पढ़ो सुनीता मिसर. सुनीता टाइम कितना हो गया? अच्छा छोड़, नहीं सुन रहे. 9:29 हो गया है. तो ये पूरा कहानी हम आपको बता दे रहे हैं, ठीक है? फिर नेक्स्ट डे नेक्स्ट लेसन जितने लोग बचे हैं पढ़िएगा. ओके, नाउ लिसन. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? एवरीवन सी, एंड नाउ एट लास्ट द किंग एंग्रीड and he called the other governor and said that you have blamed him, but he is really an honest man. And now the king made him the bigger district governor. और राजा जो है वो पूरा गुस्सा हो गया और सारा जो चुगली करने वाले को बुलाया, गवर्नर सबको बोला देखो तुम लोगों ने झूठी शिकायत की है और तुम लोगों को पनिशमेंट मिलेगा. और ये जो है इसको क्या बना दिया? बहुत बड़े राज्य का बना दिया गवर्नर. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस स्टोरी व्हाट वी आर लर्निंग, इस कहानी में हम लोग क्या शिक्षा पाते हैं? दैट वी नेवर ट्राई टू ग्रीड, वी नेवर ट्राई टू जेलस, वी नेवर ट्राई टू बैकबाइट अदर्स। हमें किसी की शिकायत नहीं करनी चाहिए, किसी से जलना नहीं चाहिए, किसी से ईर्ष्या नहीं करनी चाहिए। वी ऑलवेज do our work, and if we do hard labor and if we are working proper way with honesty, then what happen? God will give everything whatever we deserve. भगवान हमें सब कुछ देंगे अगर हम ईमानदारी से काम करेंगे, मेहनत करेंगे और ईमानदार रहेंगे. As the story, as I have written here, the Safford treasure, then with the help of this Safford treasure, we are learning that this story is really very good, and there is a moral that we always try to be honest, because honesty is the best policy. Thank you. Have a nice day. And I am giving you writing something. You have to write in your copy. And listen everyone, say your friends. अपने दोस्तों को बोल देना है that you have to join with app, ADSBM app. अब हम लिंक नहीं भेजेंगे, ADSBM ऐप में हम सेट कर देंगे ओपन क्लास में, और आप लोग को जुड़ना है, तभी आपका अटेंडेंस बनेगा. ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन. Okay, I will give you homework. Listen, you have to look homework on app. होमवर्क भी आपको ऐप पे मिलेगा, देखना है. ठीक है, चलिए.
ठीक है मैम.